Hi, I'm going to show you how to clean your robot. Before proceeding with any of the steps, please make sure that your robot is turned off and that the power switch on the bottom of the foot is in the off position. To clean any dust of the robot's body and hair, please use a dry cloth to clean your robot. If your robot's face has collected dust or lint, you can remove the dust by using the sticky part of the sticky note. Gently dab on the robot's face. To clean the robot's chest screen, you can use a dry cloth or any other similar items that you will use to clean your glasses or your cell phone screen. Please be extremely gentle around the lips, eyebrows, or any other painted areas of the face, as the adhesive can pull off some of these decorations if used too aggressively. If there's any residue, like food or buildup dirt, you can spot clean the robot with a slightly damp cloth. Do not spray your robot with any water or any other solutions, as this could damage your robot. To disinfect your robot, use a Lysol branded wipe. Do not use a Clorox or other bleach wipes, as this can affect the skin or the plastic. If you have any other questions, please contact us or visit our support site for more information.